We got our sauce, we got our bechamel, we got our ricotta, we got our homemade pasta, and we've got mozzarella. Let's make this lasagna.
Life can be a struggle, but a good meal doesn't have to. We can make creative, nutritious, and inventive dishes that won't break the bank. We'll eat well and save money, because that's what we do. Welcome to Struggle Meals.
First layer is the sauce. This makes a non-stick layer, so we can get that lasagna out. Push that sauce all around. Pasta layer number 1. I like to let it come up the sides a little bit so I can sort of like fold it over on the top. Some people boil their pasta sheets and then dry them and then assemble. I've never seen the reason, especially if you're making a super thin dough, because a super thin dough is going to absorb all the moisture of everything all around it and cook through while it's in the oven. So why add an extra step? We're gonna come in with our beshi. My mom hates the bechamel. I love it. Mom, I'm putting the bechamel in there for you. I know you love it. We got the ricotta. So I've got like my funny shaped scraps of dough here, and I'm gonna puzzle piece them together. Overlapping is okay. Coming in with sauce. Coming in with a little beshi and some ricotta. All of this is gonna blend together and be so delicious. Get a nice blanket on top here. And now we gotta make it look fantastic. So our final layer is gonna have all the toppings and shredded mozz on top so it can get bubbly and beautiful. We're gonna bake this until it's bubbly and golden.
Great, cut and flip.
Thank you.
Thank you, Lexi.
Fun fact, I don't actually live here. And this isn't even a real kitchen. And I couldn't do it without the amazing team that works behind the scenes to make this show happen. Second sticks.
All right. Second sticks, A and B, come and mark.
It's amazing, I only made 12. Could I have a rubber spatula, please? Oh, thanks. All right, first thing we gotta do is make some pasta. I do need some I need some water.
Okay, one more. You ready for a good challenge?
I mean, I'm gonna try.
You're a great challenge. All right, let's get up there.
What's wrong with it?
Nothing's over there.
I did it too well? Say it.
Your frosting skills are getting to be really wonderful, Frankie.
Woo-wee! Look at this exact replica of a lasagna that I didn't make. Oh, I can't wait to eat it.
Welcome to Struggle Meals.
We're gonna eat well and save money, because that's what we do.
To the herb garden.
It's time for a struggle challenge. Let's see what you have for me today.
But what is cooking? Drop the stock. Welcome to Frankie's Corner, where I answer your questions about food.
I love Italian food. Quanto basta! We thank you for watching Struggle Meals.